Welcome back to Math 107 College Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at the idea of increasing, decreasing, and constant functions. Now, the textbook does give a formal definition of what each of these three things mean, but really the formal definition is a lot more than you'll need to know for this course. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take a look at a graph. So, let me use a different color here. So the graph goes down like that, then it levels off for a little bit, comes back up, and then comes back down. So we'll look at where the graph is doing three different things. First is increasing. And to figure out where the graph is increasing, let me put some numbers on the x-axis here. Let's say that's -4. That's -1. And at that point is at 3. So when we say increasing, we're reading left to right, and we're just looking at where the graph is going up. So in this case, that's going to be the area that I'm highlighting in pink here. It's going to be that area. And we will write that as we're going to require that it be an open interval it's increasing on. So therefore, we're not including the endpoints of the interval. So we say it's increasing on the interval from -1 to 3. Likewise, we can look at where it's decreasing. Same thing, we read left to right and see where the graph's going to get down that. I'm going to go ahead and highlight in green. So that area, and also this area. So with these, we're going to go ahead and include the endpoints, or not consider the function to stop at a point where we see it. We're going to assume it keeps on going in that direction as x goes to infinity or -infinity. So we're going to say it's decreasing in the interval from -infinity to -4. But then it's also decreasing, so we're going to separate by a comma and put another interval here. Now the interval from 3 to infinity. And then the final thing, if I give myself a different color here, we'll go yellow. We want to take a look at this area, where the function goes straight horizontal. So that's going to be what we call constant. And the x interval that does that on is from -4 to -1. So that's increasing, decreasing, and constant functions. And that's something that's going to be important to us later on as we get into some more advanced ideas. So, that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to take a look at functions that are defined piecewise.